like we just got a surprise.
Yahoo!
Let's see what it is.
Okay. Boy, it's really taped up.
This one's come a long way.
Yeah, a long way. There we go.
There we go.
Just take it out of here.
Wow, nice box.
Nice. Look at that.
Look at that.
Hannah Lynn, diamond painting step-by-step instructions. So they have here number 1, peel back film, and then number 2, match color, number 3, fill tool with wax, number 4, pick up diamond, and number 5, place on matching symbol. So it says here, high quality canvas, clear symbols in bright colors, poured glue adhesive, clear protective cover, resealable bag diamonds, inventory sheet, color sticker labels, stylus tool, applicator, diamond tray, resealable wax, and tweezers.
Wow.
Okay.
It doesn't show what's inside, eh?
Not yet. Oh, here it is.
There it is. Look at that. So that's what you've got.
Yeah, square
Cafe
diamonds.
Paris. What's that over there?
That's a cranky dog who wants her little rawhide, which isn't here, but I'll give her a little donut.